Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest digital cluster for Mercedes C-Class W205 and Mercedes GLC. Basically, if you install our unit, this is our 12.3-inch Android screen that it adds Apple CarPlay, Android Auto to your factory screen. It retains all your factory function, plus you get touch screen. You can see, like, you can go to the factory mode and you have the command system on left hand side, and you can use the knob the way that you used to use it. On right hand side you have some additional information, or you can make it full screen if you want, and by touching the screen you can go to the aftermarket mode and you can navigate through the command system, or you can use the touch screen. But today we are not talking about the screen, we are talking about the digital cluster that we have. Basically, you can see whatever is on the screen on your digital cluster too. So let's say I want to go to my Apple CarPlay and I have it on my digital cluster. If I want to go to the Google Maps, I have it on digital cluster. And just for fun, this is not like talking about like you driving and distracting yourself, but if you play any videos here, you can see it on digital cluster too.
And I believe everyone deserves a shot at redemption. Do you? Absolutely. My days are breaking into.
So by clicking on home, it goes to the menu of the unit. By the way, this digital cluster, basically the original computer at the back of your cluster, you dismount it and you attach it to our screen, so it retains all the functions that you have before, so you don't lose anything like settings in the car or anything. We do have different styles, which is classic, avant-garde, or noble, or sport, or soft. So you have 5 different ones, which is the favorite one. Usually it's the sport type. By clicking on home, you go to the modes that you have. These are your vehicle information. You can go to driver assist. All the options that you have on driver assist, you can set them here. And if you want to check your oil change and all those short trips, you can set them here. And these are the views that as I told you, you have 5 options. This one shows which audio system you're using right now. Because we are using our screen, it's on auxiliary mode. These are the settings for the unit, and by clicking on this navigation, basically you're mirroring whatever is on the screen on your digital cluster. If you're interested to get these type of digital clusters, right now we do have them on our website. If you have our screen installed, the head unit, you can add this digital cluster to your W205 or to your GLC. You can give us a call at 905-604-4294. One of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you, or you can buy them online at 4x4Shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.